What's up, guys? Alright, so I'm excited to say that I'm finally reviewing my Peachy Baby slime. Alright, so I know I said I was going to do it after Christmas, but I'll just review the ones I have so far. Oh my god, shut door. Alright, so first I need to show you my jar of Peachy Baby slime. Oops. Voila. Alright. So I know I don't have them from Christmas yet, but whatever. Am I able to take this jar out? Oh, I think I am. Oh, God. You know what? Maybe we aren't going to do that. Maybe, okay, I'll just start off by taking them all out. Oh, my God. That's so many. Alright, so this video is sponsored by Peachy Baby Slime. And yeah, I definitely would buy Peachy Baby Slime if I were you, so yeah. Alright, let's start off strong with BB Narwhal Bubbles, a pretty popular thing. For some reason, for me, I don't have as much slime as I started off for this one, but that happened with some other slime, so I still have a pretty good amount, so yeah. Alright, so I like when you first open it, and for a while, there's all the beads going top, and the slime goes on the bottom, so you mix it together. I hope you guys can hear that. Alright. I really like the slime, and this is also one of my least favorite slimes that I have from Peachy Baby, so let's put that back. One more time for BB Narwhal Bubbles. Okay. Let's start off with, for next slime, let's start off, I don't know why I keep saying that, but let's go to Honeybee Frost. I don't know. I like this slime. Sometimes it's a little crazy, but it's fun. It's it's hard to describe the texture. If you guys like slimes that make bubble pops, maybe this one's good and not good for that too. But I still would recommend getting this. The smell's pretty good too. There's a little. Oh yeah, I forgot to say in BB Narwhal Bubbles the charms, but it was a narwhal charm, seashell charm, and then yeah, I think that's it. And then little balls, blue balls to represent the bubbles in the water. And then Honeybee Frost, I have this flower charm and a bee charm. They're super cute. It's hard to show them on camera, but yeah, they might be covered with slime a little bit. Yeah. One more time. Honeybee Frost. Just in case you guys are interested in any, I'm going to be showing them so you guys can see. And maybe, yeah. Next we have Froggy Cubes. I know I have it very low on this. I don't know how these get so low. It's probably just me. You see those little beads? It wasn't originally like that, but I may have added some. So there's oh wait, no, I didn't add these. I thought I did, but they're just part of the slime. So there's two frog charms. I'm only gonna show one, but one's pink and then one's a different color. And then there's tiny charms. Anyway, this slime is actually really good. They've overactivated it a little, but when you first get it, it's probably a little sticky. At least that's what happened to me. So then I added too much activator, and now it's like this, but it's still good. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna do, I don't know what you would call this. I got this on my birthday. I think it's called Ultimate Birthday Cake Kit. Peachy Baby. It was a play kit. I had to put, those, they give you stickers with it, and it was too big to fit in only this container, so I added to this and put a little Peachy Baby sticker on it. For this one, I can just have a giant slime if I combine these. Oh my god, it's so giant! I'm making Peachy Babies videos, so watch. I feel like this is so big compared to the other ones, but yeah. Alright, that's enough for this one. I feel like it's just so satisfying. This is a butter slime. I forgot to mention the other characters, but this is only Peachy Baby butter slime I have. But yeah. Alright, so now yeah. I'm trying to cut off some because I can't have it all in there. This gets annoying over time. Okay. Oh my god. Finally. Okay. To this back. Oh my god, that's so loud. Okay. Oh yeah, Outer Space Crunch. Oh wait, I'm just gonna share name for this one more time. Now Outer Space Crunch. It's like the same texture as BB Narwhal Bubbles. Clear slime with beads mixed together, I'm pretty sure. Oops. There's 2 astronaut charms and lots of beads and stars. And it's just so fun. Listen. Turn your volume up on whatever you're watching this on. Listen. I hope you guys can hear that. I don't know why, but it sounds so good. I rate the smell. It's pretty good. I don't know really what I'd call the smell, but it's pretty good. Pack a Party. It's a Cloud Dough slime. Not a Cloud. Yeah, it is a Cloud Dough slime. Now this one I added beads to that they weren't really. It still feels the same. It just has a couple beads, more than a couple, but some beads. You might see those little white dots. There's 2 alpacas, I think, and then lots of other weird charms, I guess. I don't know. I really like the smell of this one for some reason. I can't describe it, I feel like, but it's really good. If you're looking for a cloudless slime on Peachy Baby Slime, I'd recommend Pack a Party. And also, if you want one that smells good, just in my opinion, Key Goo Pop. No, it's, oh my god, not Key. I always get it mixed up because it's cursive. Key Ice Pop. There's 2 cat charms, and it's I don't even know what kind of slime this is. It's like maybe it's a gloss slime, like the Honeybee Frost one. I don't know. It's really fun though. I don't really like the smell on this one, but I don't know what scent they even use. But yeah. Oh, you should also watch Peachy Babies on YouTube. They have a YouTube channel. Might have different things on different apps too. And if you're looking to order Peachy Baby Slime, just search it up. And oh yeah. Now, this is my only Bingsu slime, but I'm probably going to get more after Christmas. It's called Panda Candy. And it's a Bingsu slime again. I love this one. Not so much this, well, I can't tell what the scent is now because of the other slimes I've been touching. I can't tell you. Yeah, I don't like the scent on this one because it barely smells like anything. But yeah. Ooh, turn your volume back up. I like the peach. I like the BB Normal Bubbles and Outer Space Crunch for that, but better. But yeah, I just like the feeling of Bingsu slime on your hands when you squish it together. Alright, now Lavender Cow. I know. It's not Lavender Cow anymore. I may have after I looked on it, I didn't realize there was a Blueberry Cow, and I wanted Blueberry Cow instead. So I changed it to Blueberry Cow, and I dyed it, and then I took out the Lavender Charm. And Mila had a Blueberry Charm from a different Peachy Baby slime. And yeah, and then there's a cow from Lavender Cow. And I think this is a Cloudless slime. Doesn't say it, but I think it is. Lavender Cow's good, but you should also get Blueberry Cow. It smells like lavender. Actually, no, it smells like food coloring now. Okay. Now, what's this? Oh, Emo Axolotl. One of my favorite slimes is, not slime, but my two favorite animals is a ferret. You might not know what that is, and an axolotl. And you might not know what that is because they're not the most popular animals, but yeah. This is a Bingsu. Oh wait, I said that I was the only Bingsu slime I had. Panda Candy, but no. Oh my god, it's getting me dirty. Ew. Okay. Oh, I love this. I now turn up your volume. Okay, that's enough. So there's an Emo Axolotl in here. I think I can take him out. Sorry if he has a little slime on him. Cute. Next up. Next up is my last slime. One more time for Emo Axolotl. Now it's Baby Axolotl. I know it got hard for me, but I kind of fixed it with lotion. Lotion actually does, most lotion, or some, I don't know. Some lotions help, I don't know if all of them help, but some. The one I did helped a lot. Oops. I don't know what the slime texture is. And of course it doesn't say. I feel like Baby Axolotl is a very, very popular slime. But Emo Axolotl is also really good. If I had to pick Emo Axolotl or Baby Axolotl, it'd probably be Emo Axolotl just because I love Bingsu slimes and it had a different slime in it too. I don't know what I would call it, but and it's an axolotl one, but it's different than one of the most popular ones, which is Baby Axolotl. Okay, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will definitely be doing another Sharing Pichu Baby Slime video after Christmas. I know exactly when after Christmas, but it might be only like a day or two after Christmas, so yeah. And after Christmas, I'll also do a room tour. So yeah, I'm trying to get better lighting. Why is over here so dark? I feel like. Anyway, yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, bye. I'll see you next video. Make sure to subscribe.